Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Luffy from One Piece. It's gonna be a quick and easy, fun drawing, so come join us. Alright guys, so let's draw Luffy and get him ready for his big adventure to become Pirate King. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his head shape. And we're gonna draw a big curve as if we were gonna make a circle, but right now it's gonna look like the letter U.
That's nice.
And I left some space at the bottom because right here, right in the middle of it, we're just gonna draw 2 vertical lines for his neck.
Wow.
So here we have his head shape and his neck. And from here we could draw all the pieces of his hair. And in front of his face he has like little bangs or hairs, and that's what we're gonna draw.
Okay.
So from this point, I'm gonna come down with a diagonal line to a point and come up as if I was gonna make a triangle. And then from here, right in the middle of it, I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna curve as if I was gonna make a circle, finish in his head to a little point. And then I'm gonna come down with a diagonal line to a point. I'm gonna come up with a diagonal line as if I was gonna make a triangle. And I'm gonna repeat that one more time right here. So now, instead of going to the right, we're gonna go to the left. So from here, I'm gonna curve down like I was gonna make a hill and then make a point that goes this way. So we have some going to the right and some going to the left. Now from here, I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna make 2 more and then connect it to this part.
Amazing.
There we go. So there we have like the little bangs in the front of his face. And now we could draw all the details of his face. So the first thing we're gonna do is we could draw his eyes. So right here, right next to this hair that we just drew, I'm gonna draw a big oval that's on its side. Just like that.
So cute.
And then I'm gonna leave some space in the middle, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side, leaving some space on the side like we did on the left. And the details of his eyes, that inside of the ovals, we're just gonna make 2 circles. So I'm gonna do on the left eye, the circle is gonna be a little bit more on the right, and on the right eye, it's gonna be a little bit more on the left. So there we have his eyes. And then from there we could continue and we could do his nose. So for his nose, it's gonna look like a little carrot or like a triangle on its side. So what I'm gonna do is, right in the middle of his eyes, I'm gonna make a diagonal line that goes down to the left. And then from this point, I'm gonna make a diagonal line that goes up to the right. Just like that. There we have his nose, super easy. And now we could do his smile. So Luffy's very silly and very carefree, so we're gonna do a really big smile. And right almost at the end of the both eyes, that's where we'll start, and we'll do one big horizontal line, leaving space for his cheeks. So this is right under his nose. See here? It's right under his eyes, and we left some space on the side. From here, we're gonna make a diagonal line from this point that goes to the left, and then from the left side, it's gonna go to the right. Just like that, and I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna make a little point just so I know it's the same height, and I'll do it to the left. And then to close his mouth, what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna make 1 horizontal line to connect those 2 points. So there we have his really, really big mouth. He looks super happy. And then from here, what we could do is we could draw the details in his mouth. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw right in the middle of his mouth. I'm gonna draw a horizontal line, leaving spaces on each side. Just like that, kind of looks like his teeth. And then at the end of the horizontal lines, we're just gonna draw a really short vertical line, just like this. There we have his mouth. He looks super happy. And now we could do his eyebrows. So for his eyebrows, what we could do is right above his eye, I'm gonna turn the paper just a little bit. I'm gonna make a little curve like the letter C. From this point, I'm gonna make 1 horizontal line that goes to the side of his head. And I'll do the same at the bottom. And then to close it off, we're just gonna make a backwards C. And we're gonna copy that same design on the left side. Just like that. And there we have his eyebrows. They look super good. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna do his ears. So right beside his eyes, we're gonna come out of his head And we're gonna make a curve on the right side that looks like a half circle or a backwards letter C. There we have one ear, and we're gonna copy that same design on the left side. And on the left side, instead of a backwards C, it's a regular C. And the details inside of his ears is what we're gonna do is, towards the top of the ear, we're gonna make a curve that goes up on each ear. And then connected to that, we'll just make a curve that goes down. Those are the little details in his ears. From here, we could draw his big straw hat. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make one big curve that starts right under his head, as if we're gonna make a circle, and we'll connect it to the other side. And I'm just gonna turn my paper as it goes because it makes it a little easier for me. So there we have the outside of his hat. It looks so cool already. And from here, we could finish his hair. So there's just one more layer of his hair, and we're gonna copy that same curve. Only thing is, by his ears, we're just gonna make a little more spikes like his hair. So right above his ear, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a diagonal line that goes up, and then I'm gonna make a curve that goes around just like his straw hat to this side, and I'm gonna stop right by his eyebrow. So we stopped right by his eyebrow, and then from here we could do a little bit more of like triangles or these little fringes in his hair. And what we could do is, from this point, I'm gonna make a curve that goes out, and it looks like a slide, just like that. And then from this point, I'm gonna come in and make that same curve, but going up. From here, I'll make one long vertical line that goes down, and then I'll copy the same little triangle peak and connect it right to his ear. Just like that. We have more of his hair, but there we finish his hair, his head, and his face. So hopefully you guys are finding this easy. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. So really all we have left is the top of his hat, the top of his straw hat. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do the top part, and the top part looks like a big hill or like a big rainbow. And we're gonna do that right in the middle of his hat, leaving some space on each side and a little bit at the top. So there we have the top of his hat, and then the detail, he has like a little band in his hat, that little red band, and we're gonna do that. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna leave some space on each side, and what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make a big curve that connects to this side. So I'm gonna start here on the right side, I'm gonna curve and go around until I reach the left side. So that's gonna be the little red band that he has, and the last final detail is the scar right under his eye. So what we're gonna do is, right under his right eye, we're gonna make a curve like a smiley face, and I'm gonna curve my paper just a little bit. Here I'm gonna make it right under his eye. Just like that. And then what we could do is, we could do the little stitches of it. So we're just gonna do vertical lines that go through this little smiley face that we just drew. And there we have it. There we have Luffy. He is ready to take on these bad pirates, and let's color him in. So grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color him in. And there we have it, guys. There we have Luffy from One Piece, and he looks super cool. He's ready to take on these pirates. He's super happy. We did these little details on his straw hat, just so you could tell it's a straw hat. We have his little scar, and there we have him. So hopefully you guys found it easy and fun. Stay tuned for more cool drawings, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.